Hello and welcome back to another Famous 4 video. Today we have a Range Rover L322 and it's in need of a radiator replacement. As you can see, we've already started stripping the car, taking off the fan and the grille. When we disconnect the radiator, coolant will probably come out. This is fine and to be expected. To be prepared, it is probably better to place a container directly underneath the radiator to catch the coolant. Now, once it is all disconnected, we can pull out the radiator unit itself. We check over the old unit, compare it to the new unit, making sure it's the right one, and then slot the new unit into place. Now, if you are looking for any Land Rover, Range Rover parts, make sure to visit famous4.co.uk, where you can look through our extensive catalogue and pick up any part you need. Back with the video, we see our workshop technician now refitting all of the hoses to the new unit. Once connected, we need to fill it up with coolant and make sure that there are no leaks. With no signs of any leaks, we can now start to put back all those pieces that were stripped off before the video, starting with the fan. Once the fan is fitted, we can move on to the final parts. We have got the intercooler hose, as you see here. Then it's the radiator support cover. We then can move on to the grille. And finally, there is the air intake pipe. And once that's fitted, that is the end of the job. The radiator is replaced. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of this type of content. And for all parts, please go to famous4.co.uk.